and welcome to all our dear customers. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012. Now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the prices, we always provide the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest VML store. Dear customers, my beautiful jewelry is by Manjara Jewellers based in Banjara Hills. They are our jewelry partners. Today's episode is going to be about lovely Kupparam sari, but before that let me show you my lovely sari, a Banarsi sari which is in bottle green color. Let's have a look at it. On the body, we have horses, we have deers, we have elephants and a lot of beautiful work is there inside paisley buttis with florals and leaves jal. All the work is in champagne gold zari. Our border has polkas in lines, we have zigzag lines and cross lines again in champagne gold color. The pallu has cross lines over it in lines. We have a very gorgeous, lovely self blouse in bottle green color for this sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Now ladies, let's have a look at the first sari from the Kupparam collection. A very beautiful sari coming up for you. Here is a very beautiful yellow with bottle green color Kupparam sari. Let's have a look at its body. On the body, we have very small zari boxes in gold zari, and we also have floral buttis here and there in gold zari. A beautiful, very simple, elegant pattern is there all over the yellow color body. On the edge of the border, we have elephants inside paisley buttis and we have cross-line detailings. All the work is in silver zari. And on the bottle green color border, we have gold zari kadi, very simple yet very beautiful work. On the bottle green color pallu, we have gold zari floral brocade work. And a beautiful contrasting blouse. To place an order for this one, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service, which means no matter where you're sitting, when you place an order for our sarees, we will deliver them to you in no time. And cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. Here we have a gorgeous and elegant beige color with red color Kupparam sari. Let's have a look at its body. On the body, we have very elegant floral buttis and peacock buttis. The work, which is in gold zari, looks very subtle. On the beige color, it looks very elegant too. Our border, which is in red color, has leaves jal and silver zari on the edge with dollar buttis and small polkas in boxes. We have cross lines in gold zari. Along with that, we have leaf buttis. Inside that, we have peacocks and florals and leaves jal detailing in gold zari. Here's a contrasting pallu in red color, which has peacocks in lines with small florals and leaves jal and diamond brocade work in gold zari. And the beautiful contrasting blouse for this beige sari is in red color. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these weavers' prices are valid only for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here I have a beautiful lime yellow with navy blue color Kupparam sari, and I will show you the details of the body. On the body, we have floral buttis in silver zari, and the detailing is in pink color thread work, adding a beautiful pop of color to the yellow color body. The border in navy blue color has temples in blue color overlapping with your yellow color body, while the border has paisleys, and inside the paisleys we have peacocks, we have zigzag lines and small leaves too. All the work is in a combination of gold zari, and the paisleys and lines are in silver zari. Our contrasting pallu in blue color has paisleys and zigzag lines in champagne gold zari. Along with that, we have brocade work. Inside zari boxes, we have small circular floral buttis and floral buttis in champagne gold with green color threadwork detailing. Here's the gorgeous contrasting blouse in blue color for the yellow sari, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, these videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can watch them again, share it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Here I have a classic black color sari from the Kupparam collection, and let me show you the body. On the body, we have drop buttis and gold zari. The work looks very beautiful. It looks very lustrous on the black color body. Our border has temples in gold zari with blue color threadwork detailing, making the design even more prominent and beautiful. Here we have cross lines, and with that we have small floral buttis in black and blue color, and here we have a beautiful geometrical florals and leaves jal, and within that we have peacocks too. All the added detailing is in red color threadwork, which is very contrasting and very lovely with the black color border. Here's a beautiful contrasting pallu which has temples in champagne gold zari along with zigzag lines. We have small floral buttees in lines within the cross lines, and here we have cross lines all over it in champagne gold zari. Very subtle work, but it looks very beautiful too. Here is the contrasting blouse in beige color for your black saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, please make sure you are liking, following and subscribing to us on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, because every day we have lives at 4 p.m. and 9 p.m. where we showcase beautiful collection of sarees at weavers' prices. When you follow us, you'll stay updated about current trends in fashion, and when you wear sarees from Varamahalakshmi Silks, you'll become the fashion icon of every function and festival that you attend. Here I have a gorgeous combination of mustard with red from the Kupparam collection, and let me show you the body. On the body, we have Munya buttees in gold and silver zari. The work looks very subtle, it looks extremely beautiful. On the edge of the border, we have peacocks and floral buttees in lines. This work is in silver zari, which is contrasting with the red color border. Inside the red border, we have temples in gold zari, florals in lines, peacocks in lines. And then we have florals in cross checks, creating a diamond pattern here. And along with that, we have a repetition of florals and peacocks with zigzag lines. This work is in gold zari, which is contrasting with the silver zari here. On our contrasting red color pallu, we have leaf brocade work in gold zari, and we have florals in lines again in gold zari. Very rich and royal work on the red pallu. Here's a beautiful contrasting blouse in red color for the mustard saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, right now we have mighty Diwali sales, and there's an exclusive offer just for you. When you shop between 30 October and 2nd of November and you shop above 10,000 rupees, you will get gift vouchers worth 5,000 rupees. And when you shop above 20,000 rupees, you will get gift vouchers worth 10,000 rupees. These vouchers will be delivered to you within 3 days of the successful delivery of the sarees that you have already ordered. To avail to these extremely amazing offers, please make sure you're shopping more and more only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. This beautiful Kupparam saree is in a lovely color combination of turquoise blue with purple, and on the body we have leaf buttees. These leaf buttees are very interesting because they're created with lines in silver zari, so it's a very geometrical yet very illusionistic pattern on the body. On the border, we have florals and leaves in check in ikat style work, and then we have temples and diamonds with peacocks in boxes, and all this work is in gold zari. On the beautiful contrasting pallu, which is in purple color, we have very interesting work here. So we have cross lines in silver zari, which is very simple, very elegant work, but here we have zari boxes, and inside that we have diamonds and polka pattern. And then we have the peacocks, which are in boxes. The detailing is in pink color thread work, adding a beautiful pop of color to your purple pallu. Here's the contrasting blouse for your turquoise blue saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we have a very special service for all our dear customers who are not able to visit our store at the moment. Now you can shop through online video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then our executives will give you a call at your convenient time and show you all the beautiful collection of sarees that you want to see in various price ranges and designs too. You can directly place the order there, and we will deliver your sarees in no time. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The weavers' prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. These videos will be saved on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube so that you can come back again, watch it with your friends and family and place lots and lots of orders only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. We have a mighty Diwali sale going on, and with that we have an exclusive offer just for you. When you shop between 30 October and 2nd of November and you shop above 10,000 rupees, we will give you gift voucher worth 5,000 rupees. And when you shop above 20,000 rupees, we will give you gift voucher worth 10,000 rupees. The vouchers will be delivered to you within 3 days of the successful delivery of the sarees that you have already placed the orders for. To avail to this amazing offer, please make sure you're shopping more and more only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Dear customer, dear lovely ladies, the beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing is by Manjula Jewellers based in Banjara Hills. They are our jewelry partners. Dear customers, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about lovely Kupparam sarees. I tried to show you so many different colors and price ranges too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping only from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.